Hello, this is Sam. Welcome to my Synthesys Extended Review video. Go to the Chrome Web Store and install Synthesys X Chrome extension by Synthesys that lets you transform any online image into copyright-free art, generate custom characters, and create speaking video avatars with ease. Once installed, you can visit any website, right-click on an image, select Synthesys X, and choose Revisualize this image. This will generate two replicas of the original image. If you're working with a person's image, right-click and choose Generate Similar Character to create a unique character based on that image. You can also send these generated images directly to Canva to transform them into speaking video avatars. This feature is exclusive to users who have purchased the AI Humans Canva application. When you click on Settings, you'll find several options. The Manipulate Prompt option allows you to add your own prompt to customize the generation process. The generated images will closely resemble the original picture. Next is Pose Control, which replicates the body posture from the original image when generating new images. TextEye is for images containing text. Revisualize them, and the extension will copy the text, creating accurate replicas. The Visualizer mode is used for landscapes, allowing you to create variations, download images, upscale them, or even create animated videos. Finally, the Translate feature lets you translate audio into 29 languages in seconds.
Video ads should be engaging and entertaining for your viewers. Videoanzeigen sollten für Ihre Zuschauer ansprechend und unterhaltsam sein.
With the Live Portrait feature, which is an upgrade, you can pick a portrait, upload a video of facial expressions, and have them seamlessly replicated onto your image. First, generate a similar character. And now you can generate the live portrait. What about bonuses? You will receive a variety of AI-powered apps for creating videos, running video marketing campaigns, and producing voiceovers. You'll gain access to stock platforms, visual content creation apps, cloud storage, content creation apps, traffic generation apps, and much more. Visit the link in the description box to get all the info about bonuses, a detailed review, and OTO links. If you have questions, please leave a comment. If you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me create more content like this. Now, you can watch the walkthrough of the AI Video Canva app, which is available as an upgrade.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the latest AI video app inside of Canva. We will also see how it can be used to create exciting videos using text prompts and create animated stories out of the generated videos. So let's get started. I'm now inside my Canva account, my free Canva account. So the first step I need to do is I need to choose project type. So I'm going to choose this one. And the next step is to add the AI video app to my Canva account. So what I'll do is I'll click on apps here and then I'll type in Synthesys. And if I click on hit enter on my keyboard, I would see these two apps, Synthesys Humans and Synthesys AI Video. So I'll click on Synthesys AI Video now. and then click on open here. Okay, so this is how the app looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my Synthesys account to this particular app. Okay, so if you already have purchased, say, AI Video Upgrade or EVA, you can easily click here and sign into your Synthesys account and click on connect here. All right, so this is how you can actually add the AI video application into your Canva account and also sign into your Synthesys account and connect it with the AI video app inside of Canva. This is how the interface of the app looks like inside of Canva, and it is located out here. There's a small text box where you can type in your prompts. So let's start with typing a very simple prompt like all right, and then let's click on generate. It takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute to render the file. All right, here we go. So the video has been created. You can add it to your Canva project by just clicking on it. The video now has been added to the project. We just have to extend it. And play the file. So this is how you can add a video that was created using the Synthesys AI video app inside of Canva to a project. Not only that, you can also check out all your previous generations by clicking on Go to Generations. So all your previous generations will be visible out here. Not only the videos that you have created inside of Canva using the Synthesys AI video app, it will also show you the videos that you have created in your Synthesys account using the AI video app as well. So you don't have to download the videos from your Synthesys account and upload it to Canva. Everything is seamlessly integrated with each other, so you can easily use the videos that you have already created in your Synthesys account. So we tried a simple prompt. Let's now try a more complex prompt and see how the results are. Let me first delete this cute little frog from here. And let me add a new prompt. The new prompt is a lighthouse in the middle of a large wave in the ocean with a red and white lighthouse at the top. Storm. And I'm going to click on generate. Okay, so this is the result. Looks pretty neat. Let's add it to the project and extend it and click on play. Let's extend it first. So this is how a video can be easily created using the Synthesys AI video app in Canva. Now there is one more interesting use case that I wanted to show you. We can actually create a story or a longer video by adding multiple videos to a Canva project. Now if I go to the Generations tab, I've already created a few videos from prompts and I'm going to use them to create the story. So I like the green frog theme and I'm going to create a story about a frog named Fredo. And I'll show you how we can create that story using the videos that we have already generated and how we can add captions to it as well. Okay, so let me select this video. Let's extend it. So the video looks something like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a caption to it. Okay, so for that I'll go to the text section and add a text box. Bring it down a little. Okay, let me change let me change the font colors. Okay, so the caption has been added. And now I'm going to add the second page. Go back to Synthesys AI video app. Go to generations, add the second video. Let's extend it again. And let's go to the text box section. Yeah, and let's add a text box. Bring it down a little bit. Let me type the caption. He sees a lily pad floating by. Okay, so our second page is also ready. Now let's add a new page. Go to the video app again. Go to generations, add the video. So now Frito jumps on the lily pad to soak up some sun. So let me extend and add another caption. Change the font color. All right, let's add one last page. Okay. So let's add the last video of the story. Oops, I accidentally double clicked. Okay. So okay, so now Frito and his lily pad are floating away into the sunset. So that's what my caption is going to be. All right, now again, change the font color. Some final touches. Okay, now you can click here and go to the duration section and click on play to preview the video. Once the video has been previewed, if you want to make some corrections, you can do that. And then if you want, you can click on preview again. All right, now I'm going to download this video. I'm going to select MP4 video and then click on download. The download is done. Let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. So this is how you can create a video story with captions using the videos you create using Synthesys AI video app inside of Canva. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Welcome to the latest version of Synthesys X with brand new and exciting features. So without wasting any more time, let me start with the walkthrough and show you those features. So first, I'll show you how to install the Google Chrome extension called Synthesys X. So for that, you would have to go to, you'll have to click on the settings button out here and then go to extensions and then click on visit Chrome Web Store. And then just type in Synthesys X out here. Okay. And click on add to Chrome. Okay, Synthesys X has been added to Chrome and you can find it under your extension list out here. All right, now once that is done, you can go to any website that offers photographs or images and something like Unsplash or Pixel or whatever. So you can go there and take any image. All right, so for example, let me take this image, then I'll right click on it and then I'll click on revisualize this image. For people who have used the older version of Synthesys X, we have actually introduced a new option called generate similar character, which I'll be showing you in a few seconds. Okay, once I click on revisualize this image, you would see the Synthesys X console pop up. All right, and within a minute's time, you would see some replicas created for this particular image. All right, if you see this particular error, that means you're not logged in to your account. So what I'll do is I'll first log in to my Synthesys account. Okay. Now I'll click on refresh. Okay, so you can see that 2 new replica images were generated by Synthesys X. Now let's see some other options as well. Okay, let's try to go back and let me try a person's image. Okay, let me try to replicate it. So say for example, I'm looking for a front-facing image. Yeah, let's take her for example, and then right click on it and then click on generate similar character. Okay, can you see? So this is how you can generate replicas of an existing image on the internet. It's very, very simple. Now we've introduced a an exciting feature where you can actually send these images that have been created from Synthesys X directly to the Synthesys AI Humans app inside of Canva. All right. So if you hover over the image, you would be able to see this send to Canva button. Now, one thing that you need to keep in mind that this would only be possible for users who have purchased the AI Humans Canva application and have an existing account of AI Humans with Synthesys. Okay, it will not work with free accounts and trial accounts. I just wanted to put it out there to avoid any confusion. All right, so now what I'm going to do is first I'll log in into the Canva account. All right, just click on a project, anything, doesn't have to be anything special. All right, you will see the Synthesys AI Synthesys Humans app out here. So if I click on it, you would be able to see the talking photos here, talking images here. So now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to send this image over to Canva. All right, so I'm going to click here. Okay, it's done. Now let's go and check Canva. Can you see this photo here? I did not download it and upload it into Canva. I just clicked on the send to Canva button here, and I can now see it inside of the AI Humans app inside of Canva. All right, so this is so easy. You don't have to download it and upload it into the upload section of Canva. You can directly send your images from Synthesys X into the AI Humans application in Canva without any hassle. All right then, now moving on, we also have a few other options and features that I wanted to talk about. If you click on settings out here, you would see these, for characters, you would see these three options. One is manipulate prompt. Okay. The second one is character consistency, and the third one is pose control. So let's see what manipulate prompt is. You can add a text prompt to make subtle changes to the image that is generated. So let me show you something like this. All right, something like that. So we have a Caucasian woman, and I have added a prompt which says an Asian woman is sitting on a staircase. Now what I'll do is I'll right click, then I'll do generate similar character. Can you see this? So a replica was created, but since I added a prompt which mentioned an Asian woman, the generated images have an Asian woman in them. Okay, so this is how the manipulate prompt feature works. Now moving on, let's see the next feature, which is pose control. So what this does is it kind of replicates the pose and body posture of the seed image. So when I enable this option and then revisualize by clicking on generate similar character, it will copy the body posture of the seed image. So let's see how that works. Can you see here? It is replicating the body position of this person. So you can use the pose control feature to actually replicate the body posture of the person in the original image. So that's what pose control is for. Now let's move on to the other settings, which are visualizer. Now visualizer is usually used for images which do not contain human elements. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select something something like a landscape or something like that. So for example, let me take this waterfall. All right, and then I'll select visualizer, and then I'll, instead of clicking on generate similar character, I'll click on revisualize this image. All right, can you see? All right, and so the visualizer mode is normally used for landscape and sceneries and all that. It works best with those kind of images. Now let's move on to the last feature called TextEye. Now this option is good for images which have text in them. So for example, let me take something like, okay, let's take this. All right, and then I'll click on revisualize this image. All right, can you see here? It kind of copied the exact text in the replicated images. Okay, so the TextEye mode is to be chosen whenever you're trying to replicate images which have text in them to get the best results. Now, let's see a couple of things out here. Let's go back to one of the landscape images and let's generate a replica. Okay, let's take this time. Okay, and then select visualizer. What I'm going to show you right now is the different options that are available after the image is rendered. Okay, so you can see that the replicas have been rendered. Now, if you hover your mouse on top of them, you would see that there are a few options available. Okay, the first one is create variations. So for example, if you do not like the rendered image, if you want to create a variation of the rendered image, you can just click on it and it'll create a variation of this image. Okay, now the next one is to download. You can download all the images that are rendered by Synthesys X onto your computer as a PNG image. So if I click here, all right, you can see that it's a PNG image, and I'm going to click on save. And the third option is the upscale or refine. So for this, let's click here. What it would do is it would enhance the quality of the rendered image. So let's see how that changes. Okay, so now you have received the download prompt. So let me just type in upscaled one. Okay, and then I'll compare both the properties of both the original and the upscaled image. Okay, so these are the two images. So this is the original one. If you look at it, it's 165 KB in size, and if you see here, it's 1024 pixels. Now this is the upscaled image. Now if you click on properties, you would see that it's 6.141 MB and 2048 pixels. All right, so the resolution has improved, the quality has improved. So if I open this, yeah, so you can see the ripples of the water and all that. So this is how the upscale feature works. Moving on, now let's see what this last option does here, which says create video. What it would do is it would create a very short animated video using the image here. Exactly like this. So can you see a video was created from the image? It's a very short animated video. So this kind of shows you how you can actually create a video from an existing image out here, right? So by clicking on the video button. Now let's see how the translate feature within Synthesys X works. Okay, for that you would have to click here, and this is the interface. You can upload an existing audio here. All right, please keep in mind the file format should be MP3 and the maximum size of the audio should be 50 MB. So I click here and say, for example, I upload an audio. Okay, it's uploaded here. You can listen to the uploaded audio by clicking on the play button here.
Video ads should be engaging and entertaining for your viewers. It's also important to make sure they convey your message effectively.
All right, now say for example you uploaded an incorrect file, you want to remove this file and upload the correct one. You can click on the delete button here and then upload the correct one again. Okay, now say for example I want to translate this particular audio to a different language. We have a long list of languages out here. So for example, if I want to translate this into, say, German, okay, just select the language out there and click on translate audio, and you would see the translated audio here. Okay, to listen to it before you want to you go ahead and download it, just click on the play button.
Videoanzeigen sollten für Ihre Zuschauer ansprechend und unterhaltsam sein. Außerdem ist es wichtig, dass Sie Ihre Botschaft effektiv vermitteln.
Okay, so it got translated into German, right? And now you can just click on the download button out here to download it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so this is how the translate feature works inside of Synthesys X. You don't have to go anywhere else. You can just translate an existing audio from the Synthesys X console. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the live portrait feature in Synthesys X Google Chrome extension. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to settings out here, and then under live portrait you have the option to upload a video. So let's upload that video. Okay, while it's uploading, let me also show you how that video actually looks like. Just a second. Okay, it's a silent video, but just look at the expressions of the actor in the video. Now when I go back to Synthesys X and I upload that video here, once I've done that, I'll have to generate similar character. Okay, now that this character has been generated, this last option which says animate portrait, if you click on it, the face in the video that you've uploaded will be replaced by this face. Okay, so that's how the animate portrait works. So I'm going to click on it. All right, here we go. Can you see this video? Now the face has completely changed, but the expressions remain the same. Right, so this is how you can use the live portrait feature inside of Synthesys X. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions, please do let us know. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video.